This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hide or show the bookmarks bar in the Microsoft Edge web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Edge web browser opened up now. If you look up top here, you could see I have my bookmarks bar displayed. On the Edge browser, they call it a favorites bar. It's basically the same thing as a bookmarks bar. But to enable it or disable it, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right-hand corner, up to where you see the three-dot hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings, and click on Settings. Now in the pane off to the left-hand side here, you want to click on Appearance. Then you'll scroll down the center pane a little ways to where you see it says Show Favorites bar. As you can see, I have mine set on Always. My favorites bar always is displayed. If you click that drop down, it gives you three options: Always, Never, or Only on New tabs. If I click on Never, my bookmarks bar disappears. I'm going to click the drop down again. I'm going to click on Always. That is how to hide or show the bookmarks bar in the Microsoft Edge web browser. Thanks for watching.